But before I start, I would like to ask everyone, and I'm doing this for free, just like Lee, we're not getting paid for this, so the only thing I do ask for you is to be receptive. We always talk about, man, he was just really boring. And we always all look at the speaker and how they did, but I'm going to put it on to you guys too. I'm going to see how the crowd, how the folks that are sitting down there, if you're sitting down here, arms crossed, I'm mad. It's like, you know the fastest way to be able to make yourself look better if you're ugly? It's a smile. That's it. It's like all day long. I mean, I had my braces, and for a while I was just like, I'm ugly, but I'm just going to keep on smiling. And so all I would ask is kind of give that same kind of reception to me as well, and then we'll be able to go through this, and I'm gonna lay it all out. So before I get started, though, I'm going to ask everyone to stand up real quick. And I don't want anyone being too cool for school not standing up. I don't want anyone being too cool for school. If you need help, and I want just because, and when I say 1, 2, 3, just to be able to change this energy around a little bit from all this horrible negativity, all this amazing onslaught of negative press that we're hearing, I want you to slap the hands, high five when I count to 3, and say, this is a great market. 1, 2, 3. This is a great market. Great market. All right. Give yourselves a hand. Grab a seat. Thank you. Give yourselves a hand, please. Come on. Give yourselves a hand. Give yourselves a hand. Because we need to do that. In this time, we need, if we're going to do this, the reason why these groups and the reason why Real Estate Investor on an online fashion of this networking is because when times are tough, we need to be able to learn and help each other out and say, you know what, all those negative people, they can be negative, but I am not going to allow that to enter my life. One of the stories that I want to share real quick is someone that has shown success. And if we could go, and I'm in charge of the PowerPoint. Multitasking is not one of my yeah, that would be great. Well, you guys see this guy, right? This is my good friend Darren Dickey, and I like to use Darren Dickey. Darren, will you stand up for us? All right, this is my good friend Darren Dickey, and Darren Dickey. If I could tell a little bit of a story about him. 2 years ago, I was getting started with wholesaling, and I had some success. I had some. I was lucky, call it whatever, but I was able to have a few deals. Darren said, you know what? I've done some lease options. I've done some sub-2 deals. I want to also be able to get into wholesaling. And he went out and did it, and I'll tell you what, he did not have the most crazy, stellar, amazing, wonderful start. And I'll tell you that. And the reason why I can tell you that now is because he kept on at it. And him and I were so just hardcore. We got to make this thing work. We got to do this. We had some fun competition, some of the little fun competitiveness that we had. We were in the same place. We lived together, actually. And he had his bandit signs. And I'm going to say this right now to everyone on video, that right now I am retired as the bandit sign king, as Lee said. And this man right here, have you seen it? Let's give him a hand right here. He is now the new bandit sign king, undoubtedly. This guy, what's your number? It's 901? 205 9990, the yellow sign. So you guys seen it up? All over the place. So I'm gonna put that to rest right now. He is taking it up. Darren, right now, in the last 30 days, and what you have in contract to close right now, how much? Now this is all wholesales, right? 100%. How much? And if you let's have you stand up. I need to give a positive example of someone that had a tough time, did not have tons of cash, did not have tons of capital nor experience, but did it and was successful with it. In the last 30 days, and what you have in contract, where are you at right now?
As far as number of deals?
Yeah. No, number of deals in cash. Revenue made.
Number of deals in cash. Let's go back 60 days. I'll have closed by the end of this month. I'll have closed 8 deals, and
I'm putting you on the spot.
Yeah, I had no idea this was coming. I'd say $23,000
in the last 60 days. Mm-hmm. $23,000 in the last 60 days. This is no rehab. This is no waiting for the banks to call you up and say, have you got my package yet? Did you get my authorization to release form yet? This is none of that. This is straight up putting the contract, saying, you know what? I'm going to buy it for a good deal. I'm going to sell it for a good deal. So this isn't a success story right here. A guy that had struggled, went through difficulty, was getting sued by crooks in town, and said, "I'm going to be successful." So can we give Darren Dickey a round of applause? I'm really proud of him. I'm very, very proud of him.